Engine, start. 2015 Nissan Armada Engine oil required maintenance resetting. 1. Turn ignition switch to on position. 2. Cycle through the different modes by turning the info knob, located on the instrument cluster, to highlight the setting menu. 3. Enter the setting mode by pressing the info knob. 4. Turn the info knob to highlight the maintenance option, then select the option by pressing the info knob. 5. Highlight desired field, engine oil for oil change, by turning the info knob and then pressing the info knob to enter the field. 6. Highlight the reset option by turning the info knob and then press the info knob to select. 7. Select the mileage by turning the info knob and then press the info knob to reset. 8. Make sure that the mileage displayed reads 0. 9. Repeat steps for 7 inches for oil filter field and tire field if tires were rotated.